Hi guys, how are you? I'm back. So anyways guys, there's Austin and Quincy and ayun, si baby girl. Mukha siyang inspector. So anyways guys, malapit na kaming mag-visit sa Philippines. Pero nasa Manila lang kami, like siguro probably like 5 days because most of the time nasa Thailand kami, and then we're gonna be going to Bicol. So I was just like thinking, ano kaya magandang ano kaya magandang content? So I was like thinking, ay sige, magpasalubong content tayo guys. So this one, kasi I have 3 luggages ng pasalubong. So this one guys, this one and half of another luggage is panay chocolates, cookies, and mga stuff from Trader Joe's, tsaka ano-ano pa. So anyways guys, I'm not sure if you're like me. Alam ni Austin yan, mahilig ako manood ng mga travel vlogs, yung mga balikbayan box na opening, at saka yung mga hauls sa YouTube. So I was wondering if you guys are the same. So anyways guys, so tonight I was thinking, sige, mag-ano tayo, mag-haul tayo, magpakita natin, unboxing. Ano mo ko nang tawag dito? Parang pasalubong haul, parang gano'n. So this one is panay mga chocolates. At saka kung ano-ano pa na cookies. Pero yung mga toiletries and all the other pasalubong sa 2 luggages sa hallway. So, anyways, tutulungan tayo ni Austin. Austin, say hi to everyone. Tutulungan tayo, guys, ni Austin na sort out ng laman kasi nakaupo ko sa sofa. It's kind of hard. So, anyways, let's check it out. Anyways, let's see. Ano ba ang mga laman nito? So, ito guys, nabili ko yan na nag-sale. Like end of the year, yung Walkers. Ano to British na cookies to na shortbread. Ang sarap-sarap niyan guys. Very buttery. And then, what else do you have there?
Candies.
Yeah. Tapos yung back ni Austin, anong naman ng likod niya? Mga chocolates din. Tapos, ayan guys, I have yung speculoos na na cookies, and then that one is like a dark chocolate na Lin, and then the other ones are just like regular chocolate, and then that one's like a cheddar cheese, parang siyang galing sa Trader Joe's. And then show mo to Austin na itong mga Rolo. Pakita mo. So yan, it's like Rolo chocolates. May dala ko niyan. Ang dami ko nabili niyan. End of the year, nag-sale din siya. And then yung Kisses. And then, eto guys, Kisses na meron siyang parang sugar cookies inside. And then, what's that one? Reese's na miniature. So, and then we have this. Yung mga Reese's din. White chocolate pa siya. And then this one is really good. This one is from Trader Joe's. Napunta ako the other day and namili ako ng mga bags sa Trader Joe's. Medyo madami yan. So, pag may bibigyan ako, nakalagay sa Trader Joe's na na bag. Tapos, ayan, nag-sale siya. So, we bought like 2 of that. And then, ganun mo siya, Austin. And then, ito pa yung mga ibang abubot, guys. Ito, guys, nag-sale. So, I got that. Assorted, siya, chocolates. Yan, napakita ko na yan. And then, I got some, what do you call this? Nuts. Trail mix siya. And then, ang dami kong dalang ganito, guys. It's really good. Ano siya? Butter cookie siya na very thin. And it's really sweet and crispy. Yeah. Danish butter cookies. And then there's more. Kasi iba nakayap na eh. So, ayan. Mga Almond Joy. Nilalagay ko siya sa... Ay, ito, Austin, pakita mo yan. Tapos, meron ako mga ganyan. Yung iba dito, nabili ko sa Aldi, guys. Para just in case na may makita tayo, may bibigay tayo. Aside from the... Ayan, guys, ito ang sarap-sarap nito. I tell you, this is better than Dubai chocolate. And then this one is really good. This one is like a chocolate, tapos may brownie sa loob. And then, dark chocolate naman yan nasa likod. And then, ano pa ba yan? Ayan, mga dark chocolate. Mga different kinds of chocolate. And, yeah, panay Aldi yan. Dark chocolate. And then, we have gummy bears. And then, yun yung parang mga what do you call this? Ano yung Trail mix na parang power bars. Those are so good. And then, we have a lot of that. Oo, ganun. Tapos, yun ang gummy worms. And then, ito pa, we have like, tapos ito guys, there's more chocolates. And may cookies dyan. And then this one is orange and almond. Tapos, dito, marami rin akong dala. Ito yung awesome. Mga chocolates yan. I-ano mo sa taas para they can see how many. Yan. So, just in case may makita tayong friends, meron tayong mabigay. Kasi this one, guys, magandang mga chocolates to. Kasi ano sila, galing sila sa Belgium. So, this one is like Toffee Crunch. And then the other one is extra creamy na chocolate. Can I see the Toffee Crunch again? Yung, ayan o. This one is really good. Sa Aldi to ha. Just in case may Aldi yung area ninyo. Try niyo yung mga chocolate sa Aldi kasi galing sila sa Belgium. So, yung quality nila is really good. And what? Oh, the other one is orange almond ulit. And what's that one? Ah, ito yung parang binilin. With this one, kasi hirap mahanap ito kasi seasonal lang siya. So, this one is, ano, chili and dark chocolate. So, maanghang siya, guys. No, di ba, no? Baby girl, maanghang. Right, Quincy? Quincy! Come here. Ayan. And then, so, meron pa doon. And then, nagdala pa ako ng mga noodles. Pero it's in the other luggage para sa kay Zion. Minig sa luggage na noodles yun. And then Austin showed them the cat treats. Ito guys. Yay! Cat treats. Ang dami-dami. Tapos meron pa mga toys. And then sa other luggage, may mga toys pa doon. At saka more lickable cat treats. Nilagay ko na, pinagsiseparate ko na. Kasi marami tayong friends sa Philippines na may mga pusa. Yung cousin ko, may Persian. Sila Austin, meron sila sa Legazpi. Ang pusa doon, like 7 na mga Persian, na mga cats ng mama niya. So, and then may mga aso rin. So, I got some dog treats. Bumili yata ako ng ganyan, mga 8. So, we're gonna give that to the dogs as well. Kasi doon na lang ako bibili ng mga dog food and cat food. Kasi medyo mabigat siya, guys. Kasi allowed lang naman dito na luggage, diba? Nasa 50 pounds. So, what is this one? Ano yan? More cat treats. Just today. And then that's the lickable treats. Yung bibilaan nila. Ayan. That's how it looks. Marami akong dala niyan. Pero nasa kabilang luggage na rin. And then yan. Yung mga cat treats na to, iba-iba I buy mga Walmart. And then yung iba sa Aldi. Itong kamukha ni Ellie, guys, oh. Yung cover ng cat treats. So, anyways, that's about it. Marami siya. Tapos dun sa isa pang luggage, may mga chocolates pa doon. Pero, pagod na ako. Kailangan namin na ayusin ito kasi we're leaving soon. Oo. So, ano pa ba? Laman yan. So, ha?
Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes. Para kay Zion. Kasi di ba mahilig yun sa patatas? Tapos ito guys, bibigay ko to sa anak ni Jose at saka ni Zenny. Mahilig kasi siya sa Cheetos. At sabi niya sa akin, he has never had Flamin' Hot Cheetos daw. So, sabi ko, sige, dadalhan kita. At saka yung mga Cheetos kasi na binibenta sa Philippines, galing sa China. So, I got him the original. Galing talaga sa States. I was like, chatting nga kay Len, yung asawa ni Roel. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, sayang layo ng Nueva Ecija kasi I would want to give some goodies kay Kylie at saka kay Kian. Kaya lang ang layo kasi ng NE. It's 3.5 hours away from where we live. So sabi ko, sayang. So anyways, that's about it. Aayusin na namin to kasi we're leaving soon. So, yeah, pag magbabakasyon, pag may mga sale, ayan, mamili na ng mga sale. Kasi, pag hindi siya sale, guys, oh my gosh, they're so expensive. At kahit naman na nagsisale, mahal pa rin. Kasi, tawag dito, like sa Philippines, mahal na rin yung mga bilihin dito sa States, right? Grabe, no? Kanina nag-grocery kami. Bumili lang kami ng yung litter sand for the cats. At saka, like, bread. And then, what else did we buy? Like, sausage. Tapos, paglabas ko, sinabi sa akin ng cashier, $99.87. So, $100, guys, 5,500. Sabi ko, what? Alam mo guys, I'm not kidding. Napawat ako. I was like, what? Really? Oh my gosh, napaganon ako kasi si Ozzy kasi siya yung naglalagay, so hindi ko nakita yung price, no? So, nung narinig ko, I was like, oh my God, ang mahal na talaga. Kada kanilang pupunta, for example, sa Walmart just to buy yung mga ano ba, like yung mga essentials sa bahay, no?
Didn't buy any meat.
Walang meat yun, guys, ha? Parang litter sand lang ng mga pusa. Kasi, pag wala kami dito, naglalabas kami mga 9 na boxes for the cats, right? So, kailangan na maraming litter sand nun. So, I was like, oh my God, ang mahal. Pero what can you do? Kasi itong mga to, kailangan marami silang poopy boxes. No, baby girl. Don't you agree you need a lot of poopy boxes? Ayan, inupuan niya na yung mga bags for the guys. Inupuan niya na. Ayan si Quincy. Quincy, come here! Mag-say hi ka sa guys. Tapos si Ellie nagtatago. Ayan o. Guys, tinignan kayo. So anyways, yeah. So marami kaming dala for the cats sa Philippines. Matutuwa sila dito. Kasi like, treat. So, when they're good, bibigyan mo. At saka, mahal yung treat sa Philippines. Yung magagandang quality. So, ayan. So, I'm gonna give that to friends sa may pusa, relatives sa may pusa, at saka sa pusa sa Legazpi. And then, yung iba, nasa bag ko. Kasi guys, as you know, pag nasa Makati kami or anywhere, pag may nakita akong mga stray dogs and cats, yung pinapakain ko sila, ay nako. So, if I only lived in the Philippines, siguro may shelter na ako by now. Tapos, ayan. Ayan, yeah, sige. So, anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Just wanted to share with you kung ano yung mga haul namin. Yung mga haul namin for the pasalubong. Actually, in real life, marami to. Kaya lang, naka-ziplock bag na kasi sila. At saka yung weight nito, mga nasa 50 plus pounds na. Kaya, kailangan namin magtanggal din dito at i-separate. Iba siguro hand carry ko na lang. So anyways guys, thank you for watching. We're just gonna be packing. So isa rin namin luggage kasi we're leaving in a few days. Thank you. Oh my God. Andiyan na si Quincy. Quincy.
Okay. Sama na daw siya.
Sasama ka?
Sasama ka na.
Quincy, sasama ka?
You're gonna be in the...
Say hi to the guys. Kunin mo si Quincy. Pababay natin sila sa guys. Quincy. You have to say bye to the guys. Oh, guys, mabigat yan si Quincy. Pag binuhat mo yan, 24 kilos yan. Kita mo naman, oh. Kita mo yung paws niya, guys. Ang laki, oh. And then he has like Grinch paws. Yung may balahibo underneath the paws. Baby ni Austin yan. Kita nyo, guys, ang laki, oh. He's so big. Si Quincy ay magpakita sa camera. Okay, so anyways, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, do you guys want to see Quincy dance guli-guli? Okay, guli. Sige, pa-dance siya. 1, 2, 3. Guli-guli-guli-guli. Chin-chan-su. Chin-chan-su. Guli-guli-guli-guli. Chin-chan-su. Chin-chan-su. Guli-guli-guli. Ay nako guys, mababaliw na kayo. Sige, anyways, thank you very much for watching, Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you. You know, you guys are always so kind sa mga comments niyo. Tapos, sige, message kayo to say hi to me. I really appreciate you guys. Lalo na yung mga regulars ko. Marlene Sua, Letlet Ortiz, si Marilu Abangan, si Bicolana Girl, si Team Kunanan, I think is that the the name? Ay nako, marami pa guys. Anyways, thank you very much and we'll see you soon. Bye.